What up, guys? Joe the Magic Gatherer here with some Kamigawa Neon Dynasty. We're looking for red ink cards. We're looking for land cycling cards. We're looking for... who knows? Who knows? Commons, uncommons, basic land. Just going to put this all in one pile. Let's get to some good stuff. Is the camera? Oh, I think it's trying to pick up on her face. There we go. Is that better? I don't know. Anyways, rares, lizard blades. This guy I've made a deck from. Oh, legendary land cycle. That's what we're looking for. Has no downside. Taps for red mana. Could use it for a second ability. Very nice. Till we crack again, guys. Peace.